2160, join Alpha ground to point out as you clear, we'll see you.
Alpha ground, 19, Alpha 2160.
Contact departure, see you.
080 to departure, but 5480.
Giant 2557 heavy, heading 120, 120, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, heading 120 and 120.
Kilo 974, Masters, X-ray Charlie, cross runway 12 right, turn on Whiskey, then cross runway 4.
I will clip cross 12 right on Charlie, right turn Whiskey, clip down 4, Delta 974.
Giant 2557 heavy, contact departure, we'll see you.
Denver 5196, Webstar, Mike, cross your on right, text by Whiskey.
What's your right, Mike, right turn Whiskey, and 5196.
Delta 1487, turn left heading 120.
Left 120.
2992, fire runway heading around 17, clear for takeoff. FedEx 3618 heavy, fly runway heading around 17, clear for takeoff. Sungus 309, map star, pilot discretion 17 live away, caution returns from the heavy bus. Delta 1064 heading 120, connect departure. So Henry 309 as you hold position, traffic will cross downfield. Minneapolis-St, traffic in position, Lima 3, cross runway 17, Delta gate, monitor point 9.
Stop in the morning, St. Sky 4238 Kansas.
Sky West 4238, Minneapolis Tower, wind 120, 912 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 12, that's 4238, thank you.
FedEx 3618 heavy, turn left heading on 120, 120, and connect departure.
Whiskey.
Alright, on 22, cross 12 right, join Whiskey, Dog 1550.
6585, turn right, and you're parking at West Cargo, is that correct? That's correct. 6585 Heavy, continue via Whiskey, Mike, Sierra, November, cross runway 4, hold short runway 17.
Whiskey, Mike, November, cross runway 4 and hold short runway 17.
Everyone will wait for you, you'll split them.
Alright, at Kilo 10, we'll split the sun country after the first 50 minutes.
Turn right at Papa 2 or Papa 1, and then contact ground on point 9. 420 Heavy, Minneapolis Tower, turn left, heading 150, runway 17, cleared for takeoff. Heavy, contact departure.